Ever looked at a file size in millions of bytes and wondered, wait, how many megabytes is that? You're not alone. Welcome back. Today, we're decoding the bytes to MB conversion. First, let's look at the basics. A byte, with a capital B, is the standard unit for data storage. While 8 bits make 1 byte, it takes a whole lot more bytes to make a megabyte. In standard decimal conversion used by most networks and storage manufacturers, 1 megabyte equals 1 million bytes. So, the rule is simple. Just divide your number of bytes by 1 million. Let's try it. If you have 2.5 million bytes, divide by a million and you get exactly 2.5 megabytes. Or if you have 10 million bytes, that's 10 MB. Simple, right? Understanding this is huge for figuring out download times, managing your phone storage, or checking your internet speed. But hey, you don't have to do the math yourself. Need the answer instantly? Use the free SarkariTools Bytes to MB converter for a perfect result every time. The link is right there in the description. Hit subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.